Hello everyone. In this video, we will see French articles. So a small word comes before a noun, just like in English. For example, in English, we say a cat, a dog, a chair, the books. Similarly, in French, we do the same. But here, the article changes depending on gender and a number. So let's see them one by one. First, we will talk about definite articles used when talking about something very specific. For masculine definite article, we use le, L-E, le. For example, le livre, le chien, le jardin. Then we use la for feminine definite article, L-A, la maison, la fleur, la cuisine. We use L apostrophe before a vowel or H. For example, l'homme, l'école, l'hôpital, l'idée. The next is les, L-E-S. It is used for both feminine and masculine, but in a plural form, les. For example, les livres, les enfants, les amis. Let's talk about indefinite articles. First, masculine singular noun. For masculine singular noun, we use un, U-N, un. For example, un chien, un livre, un garçon. For feminine singular noun, we use une, U-N-E. For example, une pomme, une table, une fille. Next is they. They is used when noun is a plural. Doesn't matter if it is masculine or feminine. We use they for both. For example, des livres, des pommes, des tables, then des enfants,